with the Code Yangu, there's systems like Scratch. Scratch is a block-based programming language that was designed by MIT students and the faculty just for introducing children into coding at an early age. And with Scratch, it's made as a fun-based environment by incorporating the texts. They've incorporated those texts into block-based. So it's like having blocks, bringing them together that they snap together, involving sequence and putting them together. Those blocks have motions. They have text inside, so it's like motions, sounds.
Hello everyone, welcome to another amazing episode of Before 18. Before 18 is a show that focuses on children who do spectacular things and adults who impact the lives of children. Today we are here at Sarif Expo at the Kindergarten Fair, and I have joined by an amazing guest. We're going to have an amazing time to talk about what Code Yangu does. So I will let my guest introduce himself.
So hello everybody, I'm Otto, social media manager at Code Yangu, and I'm very honored to be here with you guys and answer the questions that you have for me. Thank you.
All right, so Otto, Code Yangu sounds like a very cool name, and you know, I have so much I'm thinking about in my mind. I don't know what is that actually it is about. What is Code Yangu about?
So what is Code Yangu about? We are we are an organization that we focus on introducing children to code in a fun-based environment. And with this Code Yangu, kids get to learn how to express themselves and bring their image, their imaginative world to life. And this is by creating applications, creating games, bring animations to life as they are thinking about. So with Code Yangu, we focus on empowering children and giving them confidence into venturing in the coding ecosystem at an early age.
Thank you so much. And you know, I was just talking to you earlier, and I was astonished by the fact that someone as early as the age of 7 or even at the age of 5 can be able to code and can be able to create a game. I can be able just to get into that space. How are you able to do that? How is it that, you know, we know when you talk about coding, we usually think of sitting down and cracking our head and sitting the whole night on a computer, you know, cracking code. How is it that you are able to do that?
So with coding, when what comes in your mind when you think about coding, it's most people just think about it's a long text that you have to input in a system in different languages, just like JavaScript, Python, for you to achieve an end result. But with the Code Yangu, there's systems like Scratch. Scratch is a block-based programming language that was designed by MIT students and the faculty just for introducing children into coding at an early age. And with Scratch, it's made as a fun-based environment by incorporating the texts. They've incorporated those texts into block-based. So it's like having blocks, bringing them together that they snap together, involving sequence and putting them together. Those blocks have motions. They have text inside. So it's like motions, sounds, and what can I also say? Motion, sounds, and actions that they can use on the animation that they can create for them to achieve an end result.
And why do you think it is important for children or for kids as early as the age of 7 onwards or even 5, those who have a very keen interest in coding? Why do you think it's really important for them to start at an early age?
It's important for them to start at an early age because as they start at an early age, they get to be confident in what they are doing, and they get to acquire skills such as problem-solving skills, critical thinking and logical thinking. And as we can agree, in this world that we live in today, we need to be creative thinkers.
Yeah, that's amazing. And have you what is that you would love to see probably in the next 5 years, especially with children, or in that space, or when you look at the future and then you look at what Code Yangu does? What is that you look at it and you're like, in the future this would really be, or what is that future that you see of the next generation, especially now that you are impacting children through code?
What I'd love to see children from now to incorporate towards the future is learning how to adapt to using AI, not just to cheating in exams with ChatGPT, but I'd like big leaders and parents to help them in guiding them on how to use AI in order to make it advantageous for themselves in learning and doing skills and performing skills, not just using it through exams, but there's a wide variety of things you can do with AI and tech use based.
Yeah. And what is that you tell that child who is hearing everything, who are saying AI is bad, AI is, AI is all of these kinds of things? But then you'll tell a child that is watching that, is trying to use and to navigate their way around AI.
What I can tell the child is everything has advantages and disadvantages. So for you who are listening, learn how to use AI to your advantage and learn how to be able to create systems and build a better world using these systems, because AI is here. It started booming. It's been part of us, but it started booming in 2021. But we are adapting to it very fast. So, yeah.
All right. And thank you so much for your time here. And where could we find Code Yangu? Or for that child that is interested in Code Yangu, where can they find
Code references?
Code Yangu,
yeah, where you can find us, we have a website, codeyangu.co.ke. You can check us up. We have various courses that we offer. You can go load up the website and you can check according to the courses which suits you. And I'd like, if it's a child who's beginning to learn how to code, there's a course called Scratch Grandmaster. You can start at that and learn and to get a user experience and get to learn at a beginner level how to code as you progress with other courses. Yeah, and we're also available at LinkedIn and Facebook and Instagram.
Alright, at Code Yangu. Code Yangu. So guys, it's Code Yangu, not Code Yangu. So thank you so much for your time. I have been your host, Manasseh Gedwa, and I've been here with our guest, Otto. And together we will tell you bye.
Bye.